Guys, this is Ainalum. Today we are going to talk about highway traffic. It's a free, 100% free traffic in just few clicks. Generate all the buyer traffic you want. So,
So the highway is the power plugin always using to get traffic to any site link you want. A traffic convert to in click and sense.
Yeah, just it means like traffic is a lifeblood of any business. It's just without traffic you can't get people to buy from you, and now highway will solve all that traffic problems that you have.
For example, there is a lot traffic clones or and traffic stuffs. The eight ways to get a traffic in one plug. For example, to content traffic, PDF traffic, video traffic,
Story traffic, social media traffic, hijack traffic, SEO traffic, and lead magnet traffic. That means like you just shoot one and get 8 in one.
Okay, let's see the best one, how they use it, all the eight ways traffic in one plug. Let's see, let's go together. Here we go. There is the highway and auto content traffic.
So in the auto contents, first is you have to do put your title, and then there's a post status in there. It could be just a draft or a publish, and then how many posts per day do you would you like to do? It depends, like if you have like from 1 to 7, could be 4, 5, or 7, all of them in per day. The last one is select your campaign type. Could be article search, YouTube videos, Vim videos, or RSS feeds.
Okay, let's go the second one. It calls the PDF generator traffic.
Basically here we just want to generate a PDF.
For example, if you want to see the PDF generate traffic,
the first step is just enter the link, and then after that then text link, the link text, and then you just choose where to put your link, at the bottom, at the top, or in the middle, or you could choose also two of the options.
Look, this one is.
Then you have to download. For example, look at this. This is an example. It's about dieting, and same what we said. You just put the top, or you could put it at the bottom of the text.
Okay, let's go the second
one. The next will be we're going to cover the video traffic. Okay, video traffic, you could create your own, or you could also like customize a video.
There you go. If you want to create your own.
For example, if you want to create your video, you have like a lot of options to and then put select the post. You could select textures, the font, the color of the video, duration time about the video. It goes on and on and on. And then they just have to upload the video audio file and start the video in from whatever second time you want it to.
Okay, it's good. Let's go to the hijack traffic.
The next step is how to hijack traffic. It's the same procedure mostly. You could just a campaign name, and then target URL. It's up to you. And then just have to select a template. You could just put at the bottom of the template, video template, or image.
Obtain.
Okay.
All the obtains, and like you have to, if you need it in the bottom of the template too. Yeah, in the template, you have to clone your name, subtitle, bottom text, bottom link, and all the images you want to put in the template and the select position. either way, if you want to put in the left or the right or in the central place of the website or wherever you want to put, this one is the selective position.
And let's go to the next step. It would be like the lead magnets. Here the same thing, just put your enter your link and name of the other, and also choose the option where to display your fields. It could be author name, URL, or both at the same time. It could just be a combination of both too. The position could be like in the first page, in the last page, or in all pages, or it could be like both the first and the last page. And you could select the category. It could be like health and fitness, depends on what you could preparing. So it's like health or fitness, make money very easily, or personal development. It depends what contents you're uploading.
Yeah, you could.
Then finally you could just upload. Okay, shall we pass to the next?
Yep. Let's go story.
Now we are in stories. How to create stories. Then just we could follow this and then create story.
Create story.
The same, we just have to put the background image size, slide title, title font, slide contents font, contents opacity, and show wherever you want to show. You have to show and you have to check the box here, and you can just select where you want the text or the link, and both the text and the link too.
Sounds great. Let's go.
Social media. Here is like the SEO traffic part. You have two options. You could be like SEO checklist or backlinks.
For example, this one is the backlink.
For example, this is the backlink. Enter the domain, your domain, and then
if you have any domain or website, you have to put your domain and your website. Very good. This is the last.
And the last is a disclaimer, I think, right? Is it?
Yeah. No, the last one is.
Yeah. So this is generally the general overview of how to what is high traffic and what it does and how it helps businesses, and it's actually a really important tool to promote your businesses. Please just attend this the webinar on what? It's on March 14th, right?
Yeah, the webinar time
is. The webinar time is in 5 days, 1 hour. Yeah, it's in March 14th. You have 5 days, and please join. And then, and if you like the video, please subscribe and help your brothers. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.